Okay, good morning to everyone. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we start with the presentation. In last lecture, I covered the basic operations on amplitude axis. That in that we had seen these operations: amplitude scaling, addition, multiplication, and differentiation. All these operations we had seen in last lectures of mine. Today we'll see the next topic from this point is operations performed on independent variables. Okay, write down operations performed on independent variables. First, time scaling. Are you writing or not? You start writing.
Yes, sir.
Basic operations performed on independent variables. First, you may write time scaling. Second, time reversal. Third, time shifting. We discuss first one, time scaling. Time scaling. Write further. As name suggests, as the name suggests, time scaling is nothing but the signal is either compressed the signal is compressed or decompressed on time axis mathematically. This function or operation is written as for compression x of a into t, x of a into t. How you are going to write? I'm writing here, you can check. Is it visible to all? X of a into t. You have to write like this. I have written on my PPT, you can check. And for decompression or for enlargement, signal enlargement, it is written as x of t divided by a. On my PPT in red line, I have written this. You can check. X of at gives me compression on time axis, and decompression is given as x of t divided by a, x of t divided by a. Is it over? Is it over? So next operation, write down time reversal. Time reversal. As name indicates, as name indicates, it is a operation on time axis. It is an operation on time axis which gives the signal reflection, at t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0. Mathematically, this operation is written as x of x minus t. Mathematically, this operation is given as x of minus t. Mathematically, this operation given as minus t, which means that a mirror is kept at t is equal to 0. A mirror is kept at t is equal to 0, and we are drawing a mirrored image, Next operation, time shifting. As name suggests, a shifting operation is carried out on time axis. You are writing third operation, which is time shifting. In this operation, a signal gets shifted either on right side or on left side. Okay, so as name suggests, a shifting of a signal is carried out on time axis and mathematically it is given as x of t plus or minus a. जो माइनस साइन है that you have to write at the bottom. Don't write like this what I am written here. T plus or minus a, where plus or minus sign indicates shifting operation, where plus or minus sign indicates shifting operation. If positive sign is present, shift the signal on left side, of the time axis. Shift the signal on left side of the time axis. If negative sign is present, then shift the signal on right side of the time axis.